onto the waters of Lake Bangweulu. Our trip to Lunga Island to go and find out how people are affected by floods due to heavy downpour that affected the northern part of Zambia. After a 2-hour ride on the boat, we are now finally at Kasomalunga Harbour, and we are on Lunga Island. Come along as we talk to people here on this island.
Mukwayu bwafya tukweteka pano pa Kasomalunga 2019. Kumurandu no bwafya bwamfule yine yarukire. Iya tukwengunu ine fyakulya fyonse. Kashu bwafya mukwayi. Bwafya bwakusanga chipantu kuno kutwaba. Rice yine yali tutwara ko pamundu. Nomba kumurandu nemfule yine yarukire. Ifiri mwa fyonse fitwari minemo bari sa kwengunu na. Fyakweba tine fyakutitike tatukwete.
Yambire mu December. Imfula tayakwete okuleka iyo kiranchita yale twalirira kulaloka. Yawona wile filimu wa Yesu na mabala Yesu libe nimsine nembuto chimbisha alipa mushita shira chifuke. Amabala ya tute nalaishi wine.
Ture kwata ko fyirimi mwasombora mufeka 50 kg kamo kanshikurisho no buchushi ture chururuka n'abana.
Abami mana abatampi okwimbe bimana siro. Uyo wina feka popo wadira mwandi nemu mana twako ataka popo wadira ngabayi.
Akapamu afeonse fenga bayi.
Ifyakulya na menshi. Akaka mumana kamusomba dago karapita umukuku.
Ngomba imfula na yali ichiramu. Ngomba izo na zishalire nkanti mimana tabaisi. Uteko bwali tulekeresha.
This year 2019 I think the rainy season was not very good for Lunga. Not good in a way that we had too much water. About 150 households affected in Kasomalunga itself. We had the water coming in from Chambeshi River, pouring into our local streams here and waterways. This maybe could have been avoided greatly if we had opened up the channels so that water could freely pass into the Luapula River and Lake Mweru. This affected the crops that people grew. This invariably will mean that there will be a bit of some starvation.
Bishop, Right Reverend Patrick Chirekwatisanga, immediately the Bishop heard about the disaster. He sent a team from Caritas and the Vicar General to come and assess the situation. And they got a report from us, I think, which they presented to the Bishop. And from there, the Bishop has been always finding a way of helping us. At some point, he sent some clothes which we have given out to the people. The government gave us 100 metric tons of maize. But when you look at the population of Lunga, it was just a drop in the ocean. Because a family of 8 was just getting 5 kg of maize, which was not enough. It was only for a day. So for me, relief food may be partly a solution, but not sustainable. Why? It's not a sustainable thing, because for how long is the government going to be giving us relief maize? Maybe if the government or other stakeholders can come in and maybe look for other alternative ways of empowering people, maybe that would be of help.